Welcome to Passport to Learning, your gateway to studying abroad, made simple.
Hello everyone, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. So today I am going to show you how to apply LMU. First of all, how to apply and the requirement of LMU, Ludwig Maximilians University in Munich. So first of all, I open my German university websites and I filter, as well as if you don't know how to filter, then try to watch the video from the description box, or you can see the video from our channel how to search universities in Germany. Then you will understand how to do filtering or everything. So directly I'm going to show you. So here write down LMU. You can see already it's showing Ludwig Maximilian University in Munich. So click here and go through, and I already filtered, so this is why only a few courses are showing here. If you don't filter, then all courses will show you. It's also a little bit boring for you because you can filter according to your profile or according to your requirements. So then I go through one subject, and don't check from these requirements, application, admission, campus. You can check the basic information, but it may not be correct because of my German or my German university's website don't update uh, informations always. So this is better for you to go directly to the course website or university's websites, and from here we try to see information. So see studies, research, people. Here is a lot of informations. So our first thing is that we will check the requirements, and then we will show you, we will know actually how to apply these universities. So here is no requirement option C, but you will get the informations also from here. So click the search button and here write down the requirements and then search. So from here, if I show you the top button is requirements, so check by this, click here and go through, and from here you can see additional information for enrollment, studies, application. This is for students who are not studied or completed their bachelor or previous degree from LMU, and this is for who completed their degree from LMU. Okay, so then if you see timeline, and this is for the timeline for application and everything. I hope so that you will read it from universities websites, then you can get the update informations. Don't actually watch, don't trust only this information, because when I'm making this video it's 2026, so the information may be changed later or in the upcoming days. So this is why I am telling you it's better for check from universities websites, then you will get the accurate information. And here you can check the requirements. So here is the requirements, and all of this read it properly, or you can also analyze it by GPT or AI. Then you will get actually information easily, and it will tell you all of the things. So then you can see also other things. If you see the because of you may also see German version, so you make it English, or otherwise you can also directly make translate from this. Click the right button of the mouse, right button, then here you can see translate to English. You can also translate your language or whatever you need. And then you can see here is one option, basic information. So the basic information you can see here, bachelor degree, 180 credits in statistics or data science or major. I mean, you must have to complete a bachelor degree from statistics or data science in major, minor, or focuses. Must complete 180 degrees. But here they give you one opportunity. You can also apply if you completed 150 degrees or 5 semester. So then they will process your application, and if you will get the offer, then after completing your countries, then you can come Germany. Maybe they will give you the later arrival. And English proficiency is B2. you can check more details what's mean, because B2 started from 5.5, 6, and also band score 6.5 is also under B2. So you can check more, it's from university's websites, or for inquiry if you will not get the information, then you can uh, ask by any professor or university's authority. If you need any information in German universities, you directly mail the universities. German universities are really helpful to help you. And then you can also see the selection procedure here, everything, and you can see also test process, because for these courses you must have to obtain the test and you have to pass the test, then you will call for the interview, and the interview is the final process. If they will like you, or if they will think that you are applicable for this course, then they will give you a offer letter. And this is top ranking university in Germany, and the world ranking is maybe 20 or 22, but in German ranking I am not know exact the ranking in Germany. So this is really a posh university and top ranking good university. So another thing is that if you are from Bangladesh and if you don't know how to apply in German universities, if you think you need a helper or you need a application advisor, so then you can contact with us. We have a team, so our team only help the applicants who are applying in Germany in their all each and every step of their applications. But they also charge a fixed amount of money. If you would like to discuss more about this, so let's uh, send me message in WhatsApp. I will give the WhatsApp number in the description box as well as in the actually videos corner. So now how to apply this university I am going to show you. So uh, also make a new tab and write down in the Google LMU application portal, and from here you can get LMU application portal. From here the third number, you click the third one, and then you can get all the informations here, portal address and everything from information from here, where you need to apply and everything you can see. And there are also some other websites, so international admission, consulting and everything, application documents, you can see what documents need, you can check everything from here. And how to apply this university, this is the main thing. So back and on, click the first link. If it's not working, so then back again and click the second link, it's also not working, I think so the third or fourth. Okay, just click here for example, yeah. And you can also search only by the name of the course where you would like to apply. For example, application masters program economics. So if you would like to apply for data science, you write down on the Google or any any browser with your course name, then go to direct there. And then you can see also requirements, pre-request, admission, and everything you can see here. And how to apply this university, I just show you the primary section, then you will complete the application. So click here, you can see actually pre-request, what the pre-request for, and admission 2026 admission application procedure and everything you can see from here, online application tools, uh, how to apply, and application start from 1st April and end uh, 13th April every entry into the following winter semester. So be careful about the application deadline. You can check all the informations from here, from their websites. So then if you would like to apply this university, then you can directly apply this university. Click here, apply now. Then you have to give some basic information here. As I have account, so just would like to show you. First of all, you have to actually, when you will click the application page, then you have to create a account. So here you have to give the informations relevant to your applications, then click the create account. Then you will get a activation link to your given mail, and from the mail you will click the activation link. Then it will be active, and you will give your user ID. It's mean that your email ID and your given password. Then you can enter the portal. So I'm showing you by entering this portal. For example, I am giving my user ID and also password, then sign. And then after signing, you have give your basic information here. And here, after giving all information, go to next and save, then give other information, go and next, then give other informations. Yeah, like this way you will go the further process. And then at the last you will complete your application. If you will face the difficulties, then you will ask GPT or AI, then it will help you. I am not going to apply this university because I am already studying in Germany. In future, if I will apply for this university, then I will show you the next process. And for today, this is the all about this university's application process. I hope you will able to apply this university because I already showed you everything. And if you will faces any difficulties, so then you can ask GPT or AI. I hope it will help you, because sometimes you give information but it will not go further. Maybe there could be you will not give the accurate format or exact information, so this is why it will not go. So then you can take the photos and ask gbt, then it will help you. I hope this video will help you a lot to apply LMU. And yeah, Mm, best wishes for you. I hope you will get the offer letter from this university and you will study this university. If you will come here, then see you in Munich because I am living in Munich. Uh, Thank you so much for watching these videos. All the best for your upcoming application. And if you need any other information, then try to write down in the comment box, then I will try to give you the answer, or if I know, then I will give you the information. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Bye bye bye, see you next videos.